Howdy. This evening I'll be attempting to unlock or open the back of my surf. The back door is locked by the inside. I will not be holding the camera all the time, but I would go through it step by step. First, to open the door, I would have to get inside, lift up this seat, and bring down this one, and I have to crawl inside here. So I'll pause the video for now, and then when I get in, I'll resume. To get the back hatch open, this panel has to come out. There is a bolt right here, a 10. You'd have to take out the bolt and use this here to try to pry the tabs off from the door on either side. And then you have to lift this top panel out because it's curved into the window. So let me get this here out. That's the only bolt that's holding it. The rest is clips. I remove this panel. It gave hell to take out, and then I remove this back plate. It has some 10 nut and bolts holding it. I trace the lock down here, but found nothing. So I traced it up here, and it has a mechanism right here. That I just push, it release the door, and I will work on it from the outside. I'll pause the video for now until I see what got loose. This there is the door. Mechanism. I don't know if you could see it there. I sprayed it with WD-40, although it had grease on it, but it seems like it got stuck somewhere. When I move the manual bar, everything is moving. So now I'm going to put back the control panel and connect it and see if it's moving. To get the panel out, you have to make sure you have some of these clips. That green clip there, because some of them would be broken. As you can see, some of them would be broken, so make sure you have these clips to put back. You see, getting the door out, it's not easy. I had to take out that floor, whatever they call it, strip, and that pry bar wasn't powerful enough to pull it out, so I had to use a mini crowbar that I had. When I get the mini crowbar, I'll show you. I had to use a mini crowbar that I have. So I'm going to put the panel close by and I'll just connect that back and see. This is what it was connected to. Let me see if I could do that with one hand. Yes, I can. Okay, so let me move to the front to see if it's working. I'll put off for now. Okay, I'm getting ready to put this panel back on. When I have it in, I'll restart the video. Right now I'll be pausing it. I put the panel back and I have rain pouring outside. The panel is back with all the screws. So now I'll be putting this piece in. I'll wait when the rain ceases because you have to let it fit in this groove here, push it down and then tap it in. Yeah, so I'll pause the video. I don't know how long that rain would be falling for. So when the rain ceases, I'll resume. I hope it won't be too dark. Good morning. This is another day. Come to complete the tailgate. I put everything in yesterday. Now it's opening. I just have to put the 10 bolt back. It's difficult fliming and working and fliming without a tripod and showing what is what. Before I proceed, let me show you all when the vehicle is closed, you cannot get your tailgate open. you would use something like this, a prying tool. I used that to get it out, or if you have a flat end screwdriver, you could bend it. If you don't have that tool, you have a flat end screwdriver, you bend it in that shape and you put it between that and the panel here, and you pry that open. Once you get an opening, you would pull that out all around, and then the top is synced into here. So when you get all these off, you would lift to get it out. If it giving you a problem, you would bring down your window and lift it up to get it out. And for this one, the mechanism is right here on this side here. It has a cable on the back for the latch. This is it for this video. I hope it turned out